Hey guys, and welcome to another quick help video. So today we are going to be setting up a couple of IP cameras. So in our last video we just added these two IP cameras. We're using two different methods. Now we're going to go ahead and set and configure them. Okay, so we go at the top here, camera. So first of all we're going to have a look at the display settings. So here we could change the name of the camera, the way the date works. So for example, I like it day, month, year. We're not in America here. And you can even display, you can hide the name, display the date, hide the date. And at the top here we can change the camera. So I'm just going to call this color view. It doesn't really matter what it's called, and we click on apply. Okay, so you see now we've got color view at the bottom. We can even move this over here, bottom left corner. Do what you like, guys. It's really up to you. Okay. Now we're going to check the video parameters. All right. So now, when I plugged in these two cameras, it was video only. There was no audio, okay? But I had to set up video and audio up because the cameras need to reboot. So basically the only thing we have to do on these cameras right now is just make sure audio is enabled if you do want the audio, okay? And we do the same on the substream. You see it's just video. You can go video and audio, click on apply, and then on your app you'll be getting the audio as well. So that's how we configure the audio in the camera, but to make sure it's recording the audio, that's another important thing. So we go to storage, and then we have our schedule here. As you see, it's set for 24/7 recording for video only. So to get the audio to record, we go advanced, and it has a little tick box here, record audio. Now I enabled this earlier, but most NVRs this will not come enabled. So make sure that's enabled and click on apply. And I'll do this for all your cameras, or just go copy to all, and you can copy to all the cameras and click on apply. Alright guys, so now we've set up our camera display, we set up the video properties and the audio properties, and I think that's pretty much good to go now. So that's some basic camera configuration. Thanks for watching, more videos to come. Thank you.